Watch, 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 watch. Hear me, man. At the general, you know, the 10 star one. I represent. I don't know each and every time I represent, I don't know a full effect thing. I don't know what go already. When I sound the big thing them and drop necessary equipment, I don't know a loud explosion about ya. Yes, 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 yes. Sure will. Now give me this thing now there in my game nation people. You don't know how the thing I go already. Vybz cartel say, not do it. You see me? And as some whoop whoop run in a sharp boss premises early on. You see what I say? And I try some intimidation tactics. You see what I say? As them leave, the world boss say, here we go on. Big Addi and Likkle Addi. Right now, nation people, they think they must chop like a sterling bomb buckler chopper. Now gimmicks in my game, you know. You know I'm a represent already, you know. Real way in a Gaza where they ain't no other fucking way, you know. Watch it make I flip the script. You don't need me to flip the script, nation people. Can I flip the script? Can I flip the script? Yes, 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 yes. You surely flip the script. 10 star. Watch what I go and write about now. Because no gimmicks in our game, you know. The world boss say, don't do it. Because you have some boy, you know, where I go around and I tell a whole heap of lies from the ladies, them, you know. For what reason, I don't know. But here we go on. You say if you tell lie from a lady, Nashi, a 10-year time before you get none. So you better know what you do. Now gimmicks not there in the game. Nation people, tell me the living truth. You don't love how the way the world boss execute? You don't get music in abundance. You think you can ball? It's like 2 albums drop already to Bomber Clot. To all the man I really sing. And me I don't know say the EP the right around the corner, right? Now give me something that about it, you know. The summer song the right around the corner, you know. Right now it's supposed to up for pre-order, you know. You see what I say? You can go check out the big man Johnny Wonder page, because I give me thing that in it, and that song there, I go run the summer, and I know teacher deal with the thing already, and I give me thing. Summer always our one, a joke shit. Anytime we go summer, we can't rank. You see what I say? So the world boss said, don't do it, and that have the whole place in a misery, and that thought they are going to run the whole place. You see me? That's a talk for that era. You see me? You're doing good? Great, all right, good. Yeah, so that thought, there's a thought where I go run 2023. No lollipop thing not in it, you know. No gimmicks thing not in it, you know. No, the general represent already, real way. Here me I say right now. The policeman them, see? For a reason, whatsoever, me no know. But the man them run in. And look at Addi and Sharp Boss them. That Sharp Boss I forget wicked. I make them know say here what go on. I know what go on, you know. You see from a Palmer the last name, we know the heritage and the grudge round our carry. You see what I say? So Sharp Boss run them and wild them up wicked. You see what I say? Because you know Sharp Boss is a woman who have a different kids them, you know she not in a lollipop thing, you know. You see what I say? Real way. So instantly after the both of them left the premises, I see the world boss say, here we go. A big Addi and look at Addi. And me I tell you to blood clot. Father and son, the man them put on a piece of show, a lyrical show for dancehall. No gimmicks business not there in it, you know. To the way all the man them a spit line with rhyme, yo, me I tell you to blood clot it off the chart. Because it look like it's a new flow them even find, you know. A modern technology, you know. No gimmicks bomb clot business not there in my game in a nation people. So make certain, you know, who not represent on them song there, you know. You see what I say? Because that's all we can do as the fans. Support the music. So here what I say, make certain you not cop the music them on iTunes, Nation people. Make certain you not stream the music them on Spotify. You know how we not laugh with it already. And if people violate, you know them get them head chop off with it. One general 10 star, the choosing one. Now give me thing that they in my game. You know a Gaza favorite. Or not chat about. Yo. Go ahead in, good? Yeah. Alright, have a good one. Yeah. Say no. Say the big Addi, Likkle Addi. It lyrical inclined bad people. Me love it, me love every bit of it. Yo, the world boss step on a blood clot rampage. Me I tell you. Yo. Me I tell you no from early out, you know. From what day I make you know, you know. Me don't know if you know follow me, you know. I make you know, say, you know, you see that area? The Spotify numbers in a trouble, you know, people. Spotify streaming numbers in a trouble this year, you know. You stay there. Stand there and think a joke me a go, no. The Spotify streaming numbers in a trouble like here me I tell you no bumbuckler joke shit no dead about it. You know see how the world boss are represent. Yeah, them running and feel like so well then them can do some slight intimidation or I think of some intimidation tactics. Them a drop. The world boss say big Addi and Likkle Addi a common assault. You see what I say? Yeah, it was a common assault. Big Addi and blood clot Likkle Addi. Me say lyrics like fuck and lyrics in a overdrive. No joke shit, no dead about it. Me say nation people, you don't have to give it up to the bumbo clot world boss. You hear that? No joke shit, no dead about it. How much time you don't hear me ever tell you that? You don't have to give it up to the master of ceremony himself, Mr. Dancehall. You see me I say? Be a classic music a drop. Be a classic topic. You see what I say? And I know today, you never look for the big Addi, Likkle Addi. Well, see it there. No joke shit, no dead about it. I don't see it. All my gun see it. I don't know a lollipop thing. I don't know a Gaza Mat 90 rifle and Glock thing. Nation people, come on man, cut the monarchy out. Don't everybody watch the color because no boy can't punk it. You know we're not easy already. I agree with smoke and we not born beat it. Hear me I say, right about now, we're going to need some support on the song. We're going to make certain we're going to run up the views them on the song. Make certain we're not cut the song them over iTunes. And make certain we're not stream the song them over Spotify. No lollipop thing, no dead about it. You know a Gaza where they ain't no other fucking way. And watch this, a 10 star the general I represent. Can I flip the script again, nation people? Yes. You sure can flip the script, 10 star general. Oh.